Ladies and gents of YouTube, welcome back. Another just absolute beautiful day out here. Not too hot, not too cold, no complaints. And still doing some house project stuff. Today I want to power wash everything. I finished up the wall and got all that area flat, and it was a ton of work, but I'm super stoked on it. And my wife went shopping and got a little plant happy, so we got a whole bunch of plants now to take care of. But yeah, first things first, we got to clean up the house. Also, big news, big news. I sold the BMW. Well, the guy sent me a deposit. I haven't got the rest of the money yet, but it was a good amount for a deposit, so I'm pretty sure he's serious, and I'm actually pretty happy about it after talking to the guy. He seems like a really nice dude. He's a BMW guy, and he's done a ton of riding. Yeah, just a cool guy, and yeah, so at least it's going to a good home, and I feel good about that. It's kind of the prized possession in my little motorcycle collection, so I wasn't super stoked on selling it, but we're gonna buy some equipment for the shop, and hopefully you know, that'll be beneficial in the long run for us. So yeah, but yeah, let's get some work done on the house. See what else we can get into today. We're having a party this weekend, so I need to clean up the barbecue as well. Everything is dusty, the house is dirty, the dogs are inside, and they're just mad because, you know, I'm not letting them out here, but I can't be power washing when Uno's being a crazy animal. But yeah, so got all this done, got the wall in, got some mater plants going. But yeah, it turned out pretty good. A lot of work, a lot of work. Alright guys, hopefully this shows up on the camera well, but just to give you an idea how dirty the garage door was, oh my goodness. Clean, dirty, clean, dirty. So yeah, now we just need to do the rest of the house. Awesome. Alright, so the house is nice and cleaned and power washed, and I actually power washed the driveway because I picked up a bunch of this driveway sealer, and we are also going to reseal the driveway, I suppose, while we're in the middle of doing all this housework stuff. So this is the stuff that I got it at Home Depot. I think it was like 27 bucks a bucket, not too bad. So yeah, we'll see how it works. They say start at your garage and work back, but gravity's, you know, a factor. Another thing that you need to get for your project is one of these squeegees. So yeah, we'll throw that thing on. Alright, so the driveway is, well, it's dry enough to walk on. Over there's still a little bit not so dry, but it came out pretty good. I might do a second coat because there is a couple spots that kind of, I don't know, just disappeared, absorbed. But the only other area that's an issue is there's a little spot there, but right here, there was a big oil spill before of gear oil, and I scrubbed it and Dawn soaped it and all that, but apparently I did not get it clean enough. So we're gonna have to definitely do a lot of touch up right there, but you know, that's for another day. Oh yeah, and initially I bought 3 buckets. I don't know what I was thinking. I ended up having to get 5 more. Yeah, this stuff doesn't, 1 bucket doesn't go very far. Still really happy with it though. All right, guys, so the house is all power washed. The rock wall's done. The dogs are really mad because I'm not letting them outside. But yeah, we got a ton of stuff done, and I think I'm gonna call it quits for this one. But as always, thanks for watching. If you're new, please subscribe while you're here, and we'll see you on the next one.